Realme 7 5G smartphone announced on this November 2020. The Realme 7 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 1080x2400 pixel resolution. The display is protected with a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass on top. The smartphone offers 120Hz of refresh rate. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor that delivers a high quality of gaming experience, and it supports advanced 5G plus 5G DSDS technology. Realme 7 5G comes with a 6GB of RAM and 64GB 128GB internal storage, which can be expanded further by adding a microSD card. The smartphone comes with the dual SIM functionality and runs Android 10 operating system topped with the company's own Realme UI. The Realme 7 5G comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging support. The 30W dart charging brings an unparalleled charging experience. Power up just in a flash, even during intense gaming session. Coming to the camera, the smartphone features a quad-rear camera setup with 48MP main sensor with LED flash. 8MP 119° ultra-wide lens with 1.8 aperture features ultra image stabilization. 2MP 4cm macro and 2MP monochrome sensor with 2.4 aperture. The front is home to a 16MP selfie shooter. Lastly, Realme 7 5G starting price is around $370 US. I think it's the best deal to purchase this 5G smartphone.